Hey, it's your host Dan once again. Today we did a little planting. Sorry I didn't show the work here. We just kind of were working against the sun. Went and bought these we're at the store, got them real quick and wanted to get them in real fast. But I'll probably do a video when we do the flower side. But I got these in. These are this Globe Arborita Vitae, whatever. Trufusia accidental, whatever, but it said why buy, low maintenance, drought tolerant, because I don't want to water them, and hopefully it'll turn into like a little round cubey thing, little round bush. So starting to turn out nice here. Got those in. We got 5 of those. Went real quick. Had a helper. I think it only took about just maybe hour and a half to get those in. And I think things are shaping up. We just got to figure out what we're going to do on the flower end and get that planted. And that way, this way, walking up this walkway is going to look really, really, really nice. Just a little different view here of how these are shaping up. I wanted to make sure they were all perfectly in alignment here. I spaced them about, I think it was 25 inches apart. So once they get bigger, I think they'll look pretty darn nice in here. So that's what we did for today. We got those little 5 bushes planted. Got them over at the big box store. They were only about 10 bucks a piece. And planted them with some potting soil. And then put the mulch on top. Thanks for watching.